Why would BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and all the other big money managers have almost $113 billion worth of Bitcoin if it wasn't going to make them billions to trillions of dollars in the future? I question why big money is buying Bitcoin, and I think you should too. I think you should challenge why big money is doing something against the status quo. When we look at Bitcoin in terms of its total returns since 2011, we can see that it's performed at an annualized growth of 147%. With that being said, today is important because Italy's largest bank conducted its first proprietary Bitcoin trade, acquiring 11 Bitcoin for 1 million euro. This signifies a deep integration into digital assets in the future. I guarantee you, why would they buy Bitcoin if it wasn't going to make money for them in the future? I go back to BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and all these other companies. Why would they buy Bitcoin if it wasn't going to make them money in the future? It looks like a lot of companies are starting to adopt Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy Bitcoin strategy. They have over $43 billion worth of Bitcoin, 15 billion of that, which is profit on their investment. When we look at leaving your money in cash as a business owner, we can see that you're losing money month over month, year over year, 3 years from now, and 5 years from now in the past. It is important to see that money sitting idle in cash is depreciating at a rate of 39% month over month compared to Bitcoin. I challenge you to take what BlackRock says, 1 to 2% of your net worth as an individual or a company, and put it into the highest performing asset class that there is, and that's Bitcoin. None of this is financial advice. I have no idea what I'm saying. You should conduct, your research with a professional before making any decisions. But why would Italy's largest bank, worth 72 billion euro, buy Bitcoin if it wasn't going to make money for them in the future? Why would BlackRock buy Bitcoin if it wasn't going to make money for them and their investors in the future? Why would Fidelity buy Bitcoin if it wasn't going to crush it for its investors in the future? They are looking out for your best interest along with their own best interest. At this point, you're able to buy Bitcoin outside of the ETF. You can buy it yourself. Individuals own 1.2 trillion worth of Bitcoin. They own over 58% of the Bitcoin. Governments are losing money selling it. Germany could have made billions of dollars if they just held on to their Bitcoin. So getting back, why would Italy buy Bitcoin? Why would the Italian bank buy Bitcoin if it wasn't going to make them money in the future? As a business owner or an individual or just someone who wants to make their money work for them, I challenge you to question some of these legacy assets and see if Bitcoin could be a new strategy for you long term. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help, and I'll look forward to connecting with you.